Hi, to enable vibration for calls on your Samsung Galaxy S25, open Settings on the phone and from here choose Sounds and Vibration. And now on the top you would see three modes: Mute, Vibrate and Sound. So if you want to enable vibration only for calls but not the whole media, then you would need to switch to Sound. And after that, you'll see this feature vibrate while reading. So to enable, tap on the switcher and it will light up blue. To disable, tap on it again, so it will become gray. And once enabled, you can also change call vibration sound, call vibration like that, rhythm, and also you can change call vibration intensity by dragging the slider left or right to increase vibration and left to decrease. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.